Hello guys, welcome back to Analytics with Priyam. So in this video, if you want to convert your boring chart from this to this, so if you want to create this kind of beautiful chart, you have to play with the formatting of a bar chart. So in this video, step by step, I will tell you how you can convert your boring chart from this to this. So stay connected to this video. So guys, let's back to screen. So let me open up Power BI report. Okay. So you can see I have already created this kind of chart. Okay, so I will tell you step by step how we can create this type of beautiful chart. Okay, so basically this type of chart you can create by our native visual. Okay, let me take our stack bar chart. You have to do some of the adjustment. Okay, so let me take this. Okay, and onto the y-axis, let me pull the employee name. Onto the x-axis, we are going to put the mttr. Okay, so you can see. Okay, now here you have to play with the formatting. Okay, now let me go to the format, and first of all I have to go to the bars. Okay, let me choose the color to transparency near about 57. Okay, after then go to layout. In the layout we have to decrease the bar width. Okay, we have to give the spacing. Let me give to 75%. Okay, now you can see the bar width got decreased. Okay, and we got the spacing, and now we have to go to the error bars. Okay, now into the upper bound we have to select the mttr, the field which you have put onto the x-axis. Okay, and enable it. So you can see a tiny dot here. Okay, so let me format it a little bit. Let me go to the marker and select this and increase the size to 10x. Okay, now let me go to bar and change the same color. Okay, okay, yeah, now you can see we have created this kind of beautiful chart by playing with our formatting. Okay, so you can also put the title in the middle and increase the title. Okay, and also you can visual the border. Yeah, now you can see how it is looking. And also it is very simple because it is a native visual. By using our native visual I have created this kind of beautiful chart. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.